It's time for another episode of A Few Minutes of Design, so without any further ado, let's jump right in.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. Today we are doing another episode of A Few Minutes of Design, activities to spark my creativity. For those who don't know, it's episode 11 by now, so hopefully you do. We take a activity from this pack here, and each one of them gives you a little challenge to do to help you be creative and get your brain thinking and warmed up for the day. This one is called Finishing Well. I need to redraw or trace the shape on the other side of this card. The shape is unfinished. Finish it in a logical and pleasing way so that the outline is continuous. First time we've done one of these, and it looks like that. Okay, no problem. So let's bring in our notebook. So I'm just going to pop this here and we can get started. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this will be episode 11. So we'll be redrawing this design here. Okay, oops, I keep putting it upside down, but that shouldn't necessarily be a problem. So we've got an overarching section along the top, like so. And forgive the shoddiness of my drawing in these. I need to kind of keep everything in line with the camera, so it makes it kind of hard to draw a little bit. Then underneath we have a sort of leg section. What I'm picturing is a leg. And then a curve coming up like so. And a second leg and a fourth leg. There. So this is our original design. Now, immediately what I'm thinking is this is some kind of animal with trotters and things like that. Maybe perhaps it could be, it looks like it might be like an anteater. You know, anteaters have got those long snouts with the funny noses. They've got little bulgy cheeks and eyes and teeny tiny little ears. And then I think they've got tails that act in a similar way. Don't they have like a tip on them as well? Something like that. So that's how I'd do it first, nice and simply, if I'm honest. But of course, there's probably several ways to approach this. If we turned it up the other way, for example, it could be a different kind of animal. Could be some sort of, to me it looks like a cat, but it's got too many ears. That's not necessarily an issue. Could be some kind of alien cat or something. Could also be a creature's crown or horns. So these could be ears, and then these can be evil horns behind it. We can give it some kind of whiskers. So, and then we've got ourselves a little a little evil cat with horns. Good. Let's try one from each angle then. Now this one looks a bit more difficult. Let's try him up here. Not sure what this one's going to be, if I'm perfectly honest. But it doesn't necessarily say, it doesn't say it has to be something that you can understand. It just says that it needs to be logical and pleasing so that the outline is continuous. So let's just try and do something logical and pleasing. Comes out like so. Straight in. Bulges down. Oops, I've balls this one up a bit, so let's just make that a bit longer. Then that comes out again and back like that. Or it's hard drawing this on its side. But that's what these challenges are for, I suppose. Something like that. Now, this could be... These two are quite obvious, yeah? I think that's probably what they were intending. You could extend this out into separate shapes, or you could think of this as the negative, if this area were the negative, for example. So if we take this as, well, as what? If we could bring this around and this around as well, then it could be something that's been sliced like so. Something's sliced through the middle here. Could also be, well, if we were to turn it again, I'm not sure if this will fit on camera. But if we were to turn it again, that could then be some kind of walking alien spaceship. Little dudes in it. Hello. Just little things like that. Let's try and do one more. This is a fun one. That to the side is not giving me any ideas. With it down, all I'm thinking again is these are still legs, and it could be then, you know, a dinosaur or something like that as well. But let's try and go a little bit more abstract. Let's try and turn this into a scene, okay? So let's take this bottom arc. And these remaining arcs here. See, it looks to me, I've emphasized the slant a little bit, but that's okay. But it looks to me these like could almost be trees. Okay. So what we could be doing is extending out some of these lines. Now it says continuous, so we'll have to think about that. But we could extend out some of these. Add in, I'm disappearing off the camera here. I'm not sure what this adds to the video, but people have said they'd like to see my face more, and I add a camera and I start drifting down as I draw, so forgive me for that. These could be little trees. This is a hill, and then this can be a path or a river or something that runs through. Now these just need to be closed off to make it continuous. And there you go. It's now become a little scene. A little grassy knoll with a river or a path running through it. Not bad. Okay. I quite enjoyed that one. Finishing well. I hope we finished well. We did an anteater, a cat, some kind of weird thing, and a little scene. Just goes to show the kind of differences and creative ways you can work with a similar shape. A bit like those things where people take the word pizza and then draw a slice of pizza out of it, but with a bit more freeform content. Okay, yeah. Thanks for joining me. This is another weird one. We're starting to get to the weird ones inside this now. I think the first few in the pack, they try and make it a little bit more easy to grasp, but it looks like we are getting through the pack. We've done 11 so far, and there's about, well, if there's 52, that'll make 41 remaining. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. I do hope you're enjoying this series. If you want more of it, I'm probably going to make my way through the whole pack very slowly over the course of, well, probably years, to be honest, because it's hard to find time to do these. But that'll do for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time on the next episode of A Few Minutes of Design and the next episode of TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.